Hello students, I welcome you all to the number one YouTube channel, Aveti Learning. We are providing you free online classes and lots of materials for the development of your education, especially in this lockdown period. Okay, so how are you all? Is my voice audible to all of you? Then please write down yes in the comment box. Okay, thank you so much. So, in our previous class, we had a revision on grammar, what we have learned. So, today is another revision class. Let's see who will answer so quickly in the quiz section. Okay, so before that, let me tell you how can you join in our live class. It's very easy. You just have to subscribe our YouTube channel Aveti Learning and press the bell icon to get more notifications. Okay, if you have not subscribed to our channel, then please do subscribe right now and ask to your friends, inform to your friends, and invite your friends to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get more notifications. Okay, so before we start our live class, let's have a look upon the rules as usual. That number one, only you should have to answer the questions which is asked, and you should have to write the answer of that question only on the comment box or chat box. Secondly, don't chat with each other, don't waste your time in chatting with each other. Okay, and thirdly, if you start chatting with each other, then you will face the problem while watching the video. And finally, it is a special request to all of you, please note down the important points only after watching the video. Okay, and you can find anytime in YouTube. So don't waste your time in note making while watching the video. Okay, so you should watch the video first, then after you make your note. Okay, so in this revision class, let me know, I have so many assignments for all of you, and you should have to choose the correct tense form of the verbs which is given in the brackets. Okay, so let's move on to the first question. The lion dash in the forest, and the verb given in the bracket is leave. So option A, live. Option B, lives. Option C, lived. Option D, has lived. So what will be the right answer? We have discussed about the ways of expressing the present time. So there are two ways to express the present time. One is present simple tense and another is present continuous tense. So the assignments today is all up in that. So you should have to write the correct answer, the correct tense form of the verb. Yes, yes. All of you have given the right answer. Yes. So the lion dash in the forest. So as we know that lion is a wild animal, and genuinely wild animal, and genuinely wild animal, what? We can find them in forest, right? Yes. So the answer is, if it is a genuine thing, then simple present is to be used. Okay. So the right answer is option B, lives. So the lion lives in the forest. So the reason is, it is a law of nature, ପ୍ରକୃତିର ନିୟମ କି ସିଂହ ସବୁବେଳେ ଜଙ୍ଗଲରେ ରହେ ହେଲା. So here simple present is used. Okay, the lion lives in the forest. Those who are given the right answer, lives, they are correct. So now let's move on to the second question. They dash in the field now. And the verb given in the bracket is play. So what is the right answer? Option A, play. Option B, are playing. Option C, played. Option D, plays. Quickly write down the right answer in the comment box. I'm waiting. Let's see who learned that chapter very well and answering correctly. Yes, all of you have given the right answer, and the answer is are playing. They are playing in the field. And the reason is something happening now. Something happening now means the action which is happening now at the time of speaking. Okay, so they are playing in the field. So in this case also, the correct tense form of the verb is present continuous tense. Now move on to question number 3. Oil dash on water. And the verb given in the bracket is float. Option A, float. Option B, floats. Option C, floating. Option D, floated. Oil dash on water. Simple. If you pour oil on water, what will be the situation? ପାଣିରେ ତେଲ ପକେଇଲେ କ'ଣ ହବ? ଭାସିବ। ତ ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି ସାଧାରଣ କଥା। Okay, so it is a genuine thing. So what will be the right answer in genuine thing? Or it is a scientific thing also. Scientifically, it is also proved that if you pour oil on water, it dash. So in the scientific truth also, what is the correct tense form of the verb that is to be used? Yes, someone is writing simple present. Yes, it is the right answer. And as oil is the third person singular number, so the answer is floats. Oil floats on water, and it is the scientific truth. The reason is scientific truth. Then question number 4. She dash on the blackboard. And the verb given in the bracket is write. So option A, write. Option B, writing. Option C, wrote. Option D is writing. So this thing also happening at the time of speaking. So what is the correct tense form of the verb which is to be used in this sentence? Quickly write down the correct answer in the comment box. Don't chat with each other. Don't waste your time. Just focus on study. It's feeling very bad. While I have a look upon that you all are, some of you are chatting with, some of you are starting, I mean, always you are busy in chatting with each other. It is not the good thing, right? Yes, and so many of you are focusing on the study, focusing on the chapter and answering correctly. Just you should have to learn from them. So yes, all of you have given the right answer. She does on the blackboard. She is writing on the blackboard because something happening now at the time of speaking. So in this case also the present simple tense is used. So is writing is the correct answer. So let's move on to question number 5. Narendra Modi dash an Indian. Narendra Modi dash an Indian. The above given in the bracket is B. Option A was, option B are, option C where, option D is. So what is the right answer? It's very easy. It refers to the, what is the rule? Yes, it is a fact. Which kind of fact? Present fact or a permanent fact? Yes, permanent fact. Whether it is a present fact or permanent fact, genuinely it is a permanent fact. In this situation also, present simple tense should be used. As we know that Narendra Modi is the third person singular number. So here option D is the right answer. So the answer is Narendra Modi is an Indian, and the reason is it is a permanent fact. So in this case also simple present is used. Option Then let's move on to question number 6, and that is they dash the plates this morning. And the verb given in the bracket is wash. So what is the right answer? Option A wash, option B washed, option C are washing, option D washes. So quickly write down the right answer. Quick, 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 quick. This morning. Okay, so it is also representing the time. Yes, option C are washing is the right answer. That is also something happening now. So they are washing plates this morning. So it is also said at the time of speaking. The action which is happening now means at the time of speaking, somebody tells that they are washing the plates this morning. So here present continuous tense is to be used. Okay, then let's move on to question number 7. My father dash in me, and the verb given in the bracket is trust. Option A trust, option B trusted, option C trusts, option D is trusting. So it is an emotion between a father and a son, or between a father and a daughter. So what is the right answer? Quickly write down the correct answer. I think this is the last question. So quickly write down the answer. Yes, this is a genuine thing. This is an emotion between a father and a daughter. And so the right answer is option C, trusts. My father trusts in me. So it refers to an emotions. Okay, it is a feeling. It is a feeling of a father towards his daughter. Okay, so he trusts him always. So simple present is to be used. So students, all of you have participated so well, and I'm so happy that our revision class is um, successfully completed, and we will meet you in the next class. And before that, let me tell you that we are providing free online classes and learning resources to the Odia medium students during COVID-19 pandemic, which is an initiative by Aweti Learning. So you just have to inform all of your friends to join in our Aweti Learning live classes, and to learn more, to learn thoroughly, to learn appropriately, to have more material, you should have to subscribe our YouTube channel Aveti Learning, and also you should have to install or download the application from the Google Play Store, Aveti Learning, and in that application you can get more assignments, more theory, more question and answer, more mock tests, and so many things. Okay, so you just have to download the app, please just now after watching the video, just you have to take the phone and search Aveti Learning from your Play Store and quickly download. Please, 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 please download and please subscribe to our channel Aveti Learning and press the bell. Don't press the bell icon, okay? And don't forget to press the bell icon, okay, to get more updates. So students, today's this much. We will meet our next class in a new section, in the new, with a new concept, with a new revision, or with a new question answer segment, or with a new chapter of grammar. So till then, stay safe, stay in home, don't go outside without any reason, okay, and keep learning. Don't forget to learning, don't forget to watching our live classes of Aveti Learning, and just you have to activate your learning, enhance your learning with the authentic learning, Aveti Learning. Thank you.